lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. I wanted to share with you a beautiful fall look. I hope you enjoy. I've already primed my eye with the LA Pro Conceal in Porcelain, and now I'm going to be using the Revolution Life on the Dancefloor Guestlist palette and taking the color Stop and applying it to my transition area. Just a little underneath where I placed Stop, I'm gonna apply the shadow Lose It. To deepen up my outer V, I'll be applying the shadow Sleep. One of my favorite brow bone highlights to use is by NYX, and it's called Blame It on Midnight. I'll be placing the Porcelain concealer on 3/4 of my eyelid. Next, I'll be applying the shadow called Bold to my eyelids. It's absolutely beautiful. And just to blend the shadow and take away that harsh line, I'll be adding the shadow Sleep to my outer V and just blending it in with Bold. You lovelies know this is my favorite liquid liner. It's by NYC. These lashes will be applied off camera. To line my waterline and lower lash line, I'll use the Sephora Collection Contour Eye Pencil 12-hour wear, and it's actually waterproof. I really like it. I'm also adding the shadow Sleep to my lower lash line. To adhere the glitter to my lower lash line, I'm actually going to be using Sephora Collection Glitterguard. It's a 24-hour eyeshadow primer, and I really like this product to apply my glitter. This glitter is absolutely beautiful. It's by SuperGlitters and it's called Back in Black. I'm just going to apply that to my lower lash line. I actually did a haul on these glitters, so I'll link it in the tutorial. And I'll be back with the finished look. That's everything to my tutorial. I hope you enjoyed this fall look. If you'd love to see more, comment down below and I'll definitely do that for you. Thanks for watching, lovelies. Bye!